boy, these cops be out here lying. What would you do if the police came to your door and did this? Look at them. They obviously there for a reason. But I just can't believe what they said.
I have a delivery. It's DoorDash. I have a delivery for 103.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
This is G103. Yeah, I have a delivery for you.
Oh, Lord.
Hi. Yeah, hi. Is anyone else home? No. You don't live with anyone else here?
I live here.
Okay.
There's no one else here. You want to come and check?
Come on now, dog.
Yeah,
If he
can you
do
come in
that,
and
let
check?
him in.
Go ahead.
Alright, guys. We want to come in and swear?
Mm-mm-mm. So, first and foremost, let me know in the comments below. Are the police allowed to just flat out lie like that? Because clearly, they all in uniform. None of them are on a part-time job or doing a side gig. I don't see a bag in hand, a delivery of any kind. And then let's go ahead and get to the next point. Why is you opening the door for a DoorDash order that you know you didn't order? See, this is why hand-to-me customers are the worst, because they know they didn't order no damn DoorDash, but they thought they was finna get some free food. Well, guess what? It's the damn police, you idiot. Now, the police is but what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. Ain't no telling how many of them it is. But they obviously there for a reason. They ain't just posing as a DoorDash driver for no reason. That's a fact. But the fact still remains. Why are you opening the door for people you can't even see out the hole? They said, I got a DoorDash order for this address. They gave you no name. Some people have no common sense. Look, a couple things we can take from this video is, if you are ordering DoorDash, just select leave at door, okay? Select leave at door so that Dasher can take a picture and be on their way. Because you should never be opening your door for a Dasher that you're not expecting or anything like that. And for two, I don't know how I feel about the police flat out lying like that, because, if somebody came to my door talking about I got a DoorDash order for this number, and I know good and well I ain't ordered no DoorDash, my next thought is, why is these people at my door? What are their intentions? And I'm about to go grab some kind of weapon before I come out of this house, because I don't know what's going on, Now, then again, like I said, hey, the police is there for a reason. What reason that is, I don't know. But this lady seemed confused. Like, if you was doing something that you ain't got no business doing and the police was to come, I would imagine they would have a different reaction or be more taken aback or try not let the police in and hide something. This lady didn't seem like she had anything to hide. So I don't know the backstory. I don't know what was going on. But all I'm saying is, I don't think it's right for the police to sit up there and lie and pose as a DoorDash driver, because as a customer, you see this, DoorDash drivers already get a bad enough rep out there with the videos floating around. And now you got police officers lying, acting like they DoorDash drivers to gain entry into your residence for who knows whatever reason. Things could have went left real quick. That's all I'm saying. So I don't think this was good for the police to do that. Let me know what you think, though, in the comments below. Let me know if you've seen or heard of anything like this happening, because this is straight up crazy to me. Like I said, if it was me, I would have came to the door like, look, who are you? What are you doing? And why are you here? Because I need some answers. I'm glad things didn't go left in this video. But again, let me know what you think in the comments below. And let me know what videos you want me to react to.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
sir. So we just got a DoorDash order, $5.50 for 4 miles.
You're broke!
I was at Jack in the Box.
You're f***ing poor! Bruh.
We will not be taking that right there. We're going to go ahead and decline that. First decline of the day. We had a 10% acceptance rate on DoorDash.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
Hold on, check it out. Wow, 10%. I'm not playing. And really, it was down all the way to 9%, but I did do a few deliveries that was profitable. Something that was worth my time. Anything less than worth my time, I'm going to decline it with the quickness. So let's see what else come in. I'm only on the schedule for like 40 minutes. And you know what? That's cool with me. If they want to give me 1 or 2 deliveries worth my parameters, I'll take it. But no tip, no trip. And I'm going to show you all the orders they send me because it is not a game out here. If you're a new DoorDash driver, make sure you pay close attention to the miles to money ratio on the orders that you see because that's going to determine if you make money or not. Well, that didn't take long at all. We got our next order. We got $8.25 for 7.4 miles.
Bruh.
That's absolutely crazy. Let me go ahead explain to you why you shouldn't take this order. So new Dashers, listen up.
And I've decided that I want to die.
Even though this order is paying more than the mileage, what you need to pay attention to is miles to money ratio. So the ratio on this is 1-to-1, meaning you're getting $1 for every mile that you drive. But once you're done hitting deliver on that order, you got to drive 7.5 miles back to where you started. I know some may say, hey, why can't you just pick up an order in the new area? That is a good idea and that's a good suggestion, but if you want to make the most money on DoorDash, you need to work your little bubble.
Really, nigga?
Your perimeter. And when you take orders like that, you got to have a plan in mind. So you shouldn't just take orders like that for no reason. If you multi-apping and you got some type of plan, or if you know the area that you're going to is better than the one you at, or you just feeling a little frisky.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Make sure that you understand your miles to money ratio and understand that the more closer you get to 1-to-1 ratio, the more risk involved of you having to drive back those same miles that you drove to deliver that order. So for me, that's gonna be a decline. The only way I take an order that's going 7 miles is if it's showing me at least $21 up front. That way, if I don't get an order on the way back, I'm okay with the full payout and I can still be profitable on those round trip miles.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Hit that like button and that subscribe button if you want to learn more about making money on DoorDash.
I'm the first nigga to do all type of shit.